How to buy a Saily eSIM in under 2 minutes, brought to you by eSIMplanet.com. For a longer, more in-depth version of this video, see a link in the description field below. Click the link in the video description below and you'll be whisked off to the Saily website. Choose your plan. I'm getting 1 gig for 7 days in the US. Click go to checkout. Create an account. I'm using a disposal Apple email address. Pay. I'm using Apple Pay. My order was successful. Now I have to download the app from the App Store. Open the app and log in. As you open the app, you'll see you've got 1 gigabyte. Mine's for the United States, and at the top there you can see it's not installed, so now I need to install it. You've got 30 days to activate your plan, and the clock starts ticking once you land at your destination. So let's get this baby installed. Click install. Click the yellow button. Now we're going to jump from the Saily app to the cellular settings on your phone. In our case, we're going to be traveling in the next 30 days, so we click activate. You'll see this activate eSIM message. You see this message and click continue. Select abroad and select data only. Pat yourself furiously on the back. Your eSIM is now activated. And remember, when you land at your destination, the clock will start ticking. Click done. Let's rename the eSIM as it has a weird name, Travel Webbing. What's Travel Webbing? It's just the name of the big company that Saily buys its eSIMs from. Click on Travel Webbing. Click at the top and rename it. Use a custom label. And believe it or not, we'll call it Saily. Go back to the main cellular settings page. We can see our main line is on and our Saily line is off. Before you're about to board, turn off your main cell phone line. And now turn on the Saily line. Put your phone in airplane mode if you want. Now when you land, you will automatically connect to the Saily network. If you like this video, why don't you smash that like button. Also, you can go to eSIMplanet.com and have a look at our little calculator we have on the front page. And if you'd like to buy a Saily eSIM, use the link in the video description below.